Ever felt like your Apple TV could do way more than just its basics? Exciting news awaits. Today, we're cracking open the gateway to endless TV content. That's right, we're talking about IPTV. What's IPTV, you ask? It's Internet Protocol Television, enabling a rich variety of channels worldwide. Wondering how you can access this treasure trove on your Apple TV? It's simpler than you'd think. First off, you'll need a reliable IPTV provider, and that's where 2tv.store comes into play. Visit 2tv.store, where you can explore their offerings, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Once subscribed, downloading the right app is crucial. Plenty of options available on the App Store. Download, install, and set up your IPTV app. It's a matter of a few taps, quite user-friendly. Next, enter your IPTV subscription details, like URL or username, as provided by your provider. And behold, all your favorite international channels at your fingertips. Viewing made simple. Having issues with playback or buffering? Here's how to adjust your internet settings for better experience. If troubles persist, exploring alternative apps might enhance your streaming further. Now, let me introduce you to some hidden gem apps for the optimal IPTV experience on Apple TV. Apps like iPlay TV and IPTV Smarters are a couple of favorites among users worldwide. Prefer a more personalized experience? Customizing settings to suit your viewing can be game-changing. With everything set, lean back, relax, and enjoy a world of entertainment possibilities.